Hello YouTube, it's me Yash, and I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's cube in less than 1 minute. So you should count to 5. So I will get started. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So where was I? I was talking about how to solve a cube. You see, there are certain algorithms which you have to follow correctly to solve the Rubik's cube in order to. Okay, so I am just my second layer is almost there to complete. Oh no. Okay, it's fine. So I was there. Have you been watching Flash? I think it's a good show. So I am about to complete, and this is the final step I'm going to take, and that will be over now. And it's done. See, all the sides are solved, and I'm about to just end the video and want for all of you guys to share this video and like and subscribe to my channel. But I'm sure you won't, so that's okay. Goodbye and have a nice day.